anywhere, 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 anytime for a small budget. You think that's impossible? Absolutely not. You have your Toyota Sienna, I have the plan. I'm Louis, and together with my uncle, an outstanding carpenter, we have created a simple camper conversion for the Toyota Sienna. It fits up to 4 people, so you can bring your whole family, your dogs, your pets, or your buddies. It is easy to handle and easy to mount in the car. We made a click mechanism which fits perfectly on the original seat mounts of the Toyota Sienna of the middle row. So this way the bench is safely and firmly anchored to the car and won't move at all. The same with the kitchen. The kitchen is also anchored to the car. The whole camper conversion is super efficient and it's solid. The bed can be converted separately in 2 parts to make sleeping, napping and eating possible at the same time. The space is fully used. The whole family can sleep in an almost king-size bed. The kitchen drawers are optimized to get most storage out of the space. Boxes were put together with biscuits and glue. Wagon fastener hold the cushions in place. The camper conversion has 5 different modifiers. The first one is the driving mode. In this mode the bed is converted into the bench, everybody sits on the original car seats and enjoys. The second mode is the eating mode. In this mode, 1/3 of the bed can be used as a table. You can eat and sit on the bench and the original Toyota seats. The third mode is the nap mode. In this mode, one side, rather the bigger but also the smaller side, can be turned into a bed. The other side can still be used to sit on there like in the driving mode, to work, chat or play. The fourth mode is the sleeping mode. The whole back of the camper turns into a bed. It is easy to convert the bench into the bed, and it goes fast. You can decide if you want to do the easy bed mode, which is for 2 persons or less. In this mode you don't use the extensions, but if you have 3 people or more, you want to use the extensions on the sides to use the complete space of the car. The fifth mode, and that's my favorite mode, is the lazy mode. In this mode you can still stay in a warm bed, but use the kitchen if you open the trunk and make breakfast in the morning. This is pretty sweet. Nice. The camper conversion is comfortable. We invented cushions which contain 2 types of different foam to make them as slim and comfortable as possible at the same time. What makes the conversion comfortable as well is that we built enough storage and room for all your gear and stuff, so the van stays clean and tidy all the time. All of the plans are PDF with detailed measurements and precise drawings. We also provide videos for complex mechanisms like the click mechanism, which clicks the bench into the original Toyota seat mounts. We are more than happy to share our experience and learning. Stay tuned and check them out!